Hey guys and gals, let's build a bus stop with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x6 plate. Take a 1x4x6 frame. I'm going to place a piece of glass inside the frame. I want to make 4 of these, but I'm going to take 2 window assemblies and place them right on top of the 1x6 plate. Then I'm going to take a 2x3 plate, place a 1x2 plate on the right hand side. I'm going to slip this right in here. Now I want to make another one for the right hand side. Take another 2x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. Place it as shown. I'm going to set this right here. For a bench, a 1x8 plate and a 1x8 flat tile. This is going to make it easier to take the minifigures on and off the bench. I want to make some pillars for the sides, so take a set of 1x1x3 column bricks, place these on top of one another. I want to make 2 of these and place these on both sides of our window assembly. Take a 1x4x6 window assembly. I want to place a 1x2 plate right here. I want to place this on the left hand side. Take another 1x4x6 window assembly, a 1x2 plate on this side. I want to set this unit on the right hand side to form up the sides of our bus stop. In the back center, a 1x6 plate followed by a set of 1x2x2 corner plates. Lock all those joints together, both left and right hand sides. A pair of 1x2 plates. Then I'm going to take a 1x10 plate, place a 1x8 plate right in the center. I'm going to set this right here. This will strengthen up the front. I want to slide this off to the side, take a 1x4x3 frame. I'm going to place the glass inside the frame, set that off to the side. Then I'm going to take a rocker bearing and a rocker bearing plate, place this in as shown. Sometimes you really got to have muscles to push those in. Then what I want to do is place it to where the flat side is right here. I want to make 2 of these rocker bearing plates, set that right there. Now I want to make another assembly, place these side by side, and I want to lock this together with a 1x8 plate. And I want to face off the front here with a 1x8 flat tile. I'm going to bring our walls back into frame. I want to place this right here. Now you're going to have to muscle that down in there. And see where our hinge assembly is at. We're just going to take this and swing this down to form the roof. Now I want to fix up these ugly sides. I'm going to take a 1x5 plate. I want to place a 1x3 plate right here, followed by a 1x2 plate. Then I'm going to take a 1x4 brick with bow, set that right there, and to finish up this stud, a 1x1 flat tile. I want to make 2 of these. Place these in these remaining areas to finish that up to complete the bus stop.